It's Tim Albright with AVNation at InfoComm 2017 with Mark from Rapt. How are you, sir?
I'm good. How are you doing?
Good. Is it a good show this year?
I think so, yeah, great show, really. We've had phenomenal traction here at the show, and the audience is great.
Good. Why do you guys, I ask most manufacturers this, why do you guys exhibit at InfoComm?
Well, this is really the collection, the audience that makes the most sense for our company. So between the enterprise customers that are going to be here, the set of OEMs, the brands that are here, it's really the channel that we sell through. And the decision makers are here, really.
Well, those are right there are very important. Tell me a little about, Rapt makes an interactive display.
Yeah. So we're
you're not alone in that market. Put it that way. So tell me how you guys differentiate yourself.
Yeah. So the technology itself is brand new technology,
okay.
And it's really kind of the next generation technology for touchscreens. So we work with major brands to enable LCD panels to really come to life with multi-touch. So imagine that you've had very large, say 55, 85-inch panels that are just static in meeting rooms, okay? So you use them for video calling and what have you. With our technology, which scales all the way up to those screen sizes, you can have full multi-touch, kind of like what we expect on an iPad or a phone, but even better than that. So we support the ability to use a stylus, to write very fast, have the responsiveness, excellent, like what you would expect from pen and paper.
So can you talk about the technology and how you make that happen?
Yeah, so it's been a journey of a few years to make it happen. Real breakthrough technology. It's an optical-based technology, but what makes it so unique is that nothing is really faster than the speed of light, and so that makes the responsiveness of the system excellent, and what users have come to expect. Really an engineering effort for the last few years, and now the product is available. We're here at the show really for the first time demonstrating on the show floor, and very excited about it. It's worked out very well.
When you say available, so people can order it now, or is it shipping? When is it shipping?
Well, we work with major brands to integrate the technology into their products.
Into their products, okay.
Yeah, so we have a number of different projects that are going on right now.
Excellent.
And you'll start seeing the technology out in market.
Where do you see Rapt going, like vertical-wise? Was it medical or education?
Really, the enterprise makes the most sense right now for this technology. Like I was saying, the meeting room has not been enabled with full multi-touch capability. And what we're seeing in that space is that there's a conversion from old projectors that would be in every meeting room to LCD panels that are in the meeting room. And now, with multi-touch technologies, then you're able to collaborate both in the meeting room itself and with your distributed workforce, right? So you've got people that are on their laptops, you've got people that are in meeting rooms that might be around the globe, someplace else, and now they can all see what's going on in the meeting room and what somebody might be writing on the board. So instead of that, whiteboard static analog experience, it turns into a digital experience that everybody sees. It's
interactive.
And interactive, yeah. So somebody that's, maybe I might be in San Francisco in our office there. We have offices around the world, and the person in our Taiwan office can see what I'm doing and can add to the discussion from their site remotely.
I know you said that you work with manufacturing partners. Have you considered, or is it possible for a integrator to purchase your product and then after the fact, kind of an aftermarket on top of an existing display?
We do have partnerships that we're developing with manufacturers that help us to support that channel.
Okay, I was just wondering because of a retrofit, right? Like you go into somebody integrated a conference room a year ago, and the client says, you know what, I'd really love to be able to annotate on this, to interact with it. And instead of pulling the entire thing down, just taking your product and placing it on top.
Sure, it's a little bit tricky to do that. Frankly, that's not the market that we're addressing. But I could see where that would be interesting.
Okay, obviously you're looking more for the manufacturers, right, to connect you.
Yeah.
So if an integrator is watching this or a manufacturer is watching this, they want to find out more about your product or connect with you guys. How do they do that?
Sure. So rapttouch.com. Is the best way to learn about the company, and they can get in contact with me, of course.
Excellent.
At mark@rapttouch.com.
All right, Mark, I appreciate it. Mark from Rapt. My name is Tim Albright. For more information about us, you can find us at avnation.tv.